Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am EJ Beauty, and if you are new here, welcome of course. Today's video is going to be a little bit of a different style of video. I want to share with you guys some of my favorite fragrances in 2024 and some of the fragrances that give me the most compliments. It is a wide range of scents, and also I love to mix and match, but these are what I would consider my signature scents and also what I've been using for quite a while now. So yeah, I just wanted to share it with you guys. It is also super affordable. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get straight into this video. I kind of just laid them out here, the ones that I wanted to talk about today, but I'm going to go ahead and start with this one. This is the 𝐒𝐿 by 𝐿𝐿. I'm sure some of you are familiar with this one. And I decided to get it as a roll-on, oil perfume, only because this is super, first of all, it's very affordable. Okay, it comes in a smaller bottle like this. And also it is so easy to carry with you. I usually love to put this in my tote or even in my handbag whenever I go out, go to work, whatever. Just carry this with you and then, just put it around your neck and then around your pulse and other warmer areas on your body. Very bag friendly. Okay, it is small, so you can carry it wherever you want. And I just love the scent of this perfume. Again, this is one of those perfumes that I love to layer. So I'm just going to do a quick rundown of the scents, and then I'm also going to talk a little bit about what I do to sort of bring out the best scent for each perfume. The next one I have is actually from Dossier. I want to thank Dossier for sponsoring this part of the video. So this one, of course, as you can see, it came in a box like this. These are also my Dossier perfumes that I'm going to go over later in this video. But I want to do a quick review of the ones that I got this time around. The first one that I have is the ambery saffron. And I know some of you are probably going to tell me, ambery saffron is inspired by the Maison Francis Kurkdjian, the Baccarat Rouge, which honestly is it's not that it's a worn out perfume, but you will come across this scent quite a lot. And it's just one of those scents that has officially become like a universal scent. But one thing that I do want to say is, again, this is not a perfume that I would wear by itself. I love to layer. So it's all about layering the perfumes. Okay, you can get multiple scents and then layer them in the proper way. So again, this is ambery saffron. I got the 50 ml bottle. It looks like this. These perfumes usually last me for a year, 2 years. It's super hard to even finish the bottles. I mean, you can clearly tell by the number of bottles that I still have on my shelf. And this is 18% concentration. And they usually would send you like a card that has all the information about the perfume. In this case, this one has saffron, orange blossom, jasmine, cedarwood, oak moss, and amber. So again, I mean, if you are familiar with the Baccarat Rouge, you would know how this smells, because this literally smells exactly like that. And again, I get so many compliments whenever I wear this perfume. All right, so next up, the one that I have from Dossier is called Fougere Pink Pepper. Again, it will come with all the details about the perfume in this card. I got the 50 ml bottle looking just like this. This is, again, another perfume that I layer. Most of these perfumes, you guys, I layer these. I don't normally wear these on their own. I would always wear something with it, and that is just because that is how you create your signature scent. You want something to be yours. You know what I mean? You kind of want it to stand out a little bit, and you don't want to smell like other people. But this one is inspired by Gucci's 𝐒𝐿𝐿 Eau de Parfum. So again, super concentrated. This one is 12%. So I'd say the scent lasts me, but it doesn't last me as long as the ambery saffron. That one, just, you can wear it and you would smell good all day. This one you would have to layer it in a very, very particular, subtle way for you to be able to smell it throughout the day. But the top notes of the Fougere Pink Pepper is lemon, neroli, orange blossom, lavender, geranium, cheddarwood, and amber. So again, as you can see, I am quite in love with the, certain undertones of certain scents. Only because, again, if you really want your scent to smell good and if you want it to last all day, it would make sense to get perfumes that have similar undertones so that it'll bring out the scent even more. So again, this is what the bottle looks like. Super nice. I love this. So again, on Dossier, on their website, you can actually become a member, like a VIP member, and you would get certain discounts, which makes it a little bit easier for you to shop on there. Personally, like I told you guys, these last me for more than a year. So getting 2 of these will take you a long way. All right, so next up, I have their new collection. This is the Dossier Originals new collection, and also this is actually their genderless collection. So these are scents that personally I think they smell like the eucalyptus flower. It has a good scent, but it's not really specific to a gender, and that is exactly what this collection is all about. So if you are looking for gender neutral / unisex perfumes, I would definitely give this a try. This one is called Sunny, Vetiver, and Neroli. Top notes are grapefruit, okay, orange blossom. Again, orange blossom, look at you. Look, you guys. Haitian, Vetiver, cheddarwood, and bergamot. Bergamot, I'm not really sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly. So yeah, this has a woody and a floral scent. So it really just brings out that super cozy vibe, sitting inside, sitting by the woods, especially in the winter time. Those are the kind of scents that I tend to gravitate towards. And this is exactly that. So again, this is the 50 ml bottle. I think most of them come in this size. The only bottle that I've seen that comes in a larger one is actually the ambery saffron. Ambery saffron, I think it comes in either 75 or 100. And that's because I'm sure that's like their most popular scent at this point. So next up, I have floral lavender. This one is, the top notes are mandarin, neroli, black currant, jasmine, lavender, orange blossom, vanilla, amber, and musk. Again, all of the scents that I have typically tend to have cheddarwood, amber. Cheddarwood and amber combined really has this magnificent scent. I mean, it's just, it smells so good, especially during the cold weather time, especially during the cold season, where your body kind of warms up a lot more and it creates that natural scent. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. And that is exactly what this smells like. The floral lavender, I think it's inspired by the YSL Libre actually, and it smells so good. It literally smells identical, you guys. Like, you cannot tell the difference. And this is, again, one of those perfumes. I don't really wear this every day. This is more like a going out on a date, going out with the girlies for brunch, just a little bit more of a sophisticated scent. It's not as calm as the other amber scents because this does have musk, and it also does have the jasmine lavender. I feel like those two combined really gives that grown scent. If you have smelled the YSL Libre, you would know exactly what I'm talking about. I mean, if you are trying to get like a perfume that's inspired by another perfume, I would suggest going into the store, smelling that exact scent that you're looking for, and then going on Dossier and literally just purchasing that one. So the next one I have is Fruity Magnolia. This one is eau de parfum, smells so concentrated. This is one of those scents that will last you all day. Trust me when I say this. This was my favorite winter perfume. It was just one of those scents that I would just go early in the morning and come back late at night and still smell good. This is inspired by Versace's Bright Crystal. I love the scent. It's one of those timeless scents. I used to wear that in middle school. I literally wore that in high school as well. I've been wearing Versace's Bright Crystal to the point where they should be sponsoring me. But super, super, super subtle scent that just, I don't know, it just brings out this really, really calm atmosphere. And I love, love, love it. So another tip for you guys in order to really smell good throughout the day is to make sure that you apply either Vaseline or some kind of oil on your body or on the exact spot that you want to spray the perfume, because most of the scents are actually absorbed through heat. And whenever you place like Vaseline and you kind of rub your palm or whatever it is, it creates that circulation of that heat. And then spraying right on top of that really just grabs the scent and kind of holds it in. As most of you probably know, oil, the role of oil and emulsions such as Vaseline is to sort of lock things in. So whether that's scent, whether that's moisture, whatever it is, that is the purpose of the oil. So you can also do it with a perfumed oil. It doesn't have to be just regular oil. If you do want the scent to be even more concentrated, I would use a perfumed oil that has similar undertones to the perfume that you're actually trying to put on. And then put that perfume oil on, spray the perfume, and oh my goodness, just smell good all day. I have two more I'm going to show you guys. This one is the powdery orange flower. This one has, I mean, just like the name, it has mandarin, ginger, orange flower, white flowers, gardenia, vanilla, bean, and musks. So this one, I'd say, is probably one of those scents that smells more like fruity, but fruity in a way that is not necessarily what I would want to wear by itself. It's one of those fruity scents that would be good as an undertone. It doesn't have the amber scent, which is what I normally go for. Amber really just creates that calm scent. And it's one of those scents that if you walk into a room and you walk out, the scent is going to stay there. So usually the amber scents, especially the amber undertones, oh my goodness, they really just do something. This doesn't have that. Okay, this is really just entirely fruity, which is okay, but to wear on its own is not necessarily something I would be doing. I tend to just mix it with a bunch of other scents. If I do wear it on its own, it's typically I'm just wearing it inside the house. I'm not really going anywhere. And that is usually the only times you'd see me just wearing it by itself. The last one I'm going to show you guys is actually a classic perfume. I have used this for 12 years now, actually. It's one of those timeless pieces. This is called Clean Warm Cotton. Okay, this is what it looks like. I'm going to come a little bit closer so you can see it. I wore this throughout middle school. I wore this in high school. Oh my goodness. This smells like fresh laundry. Okay, but the kind of laundry that fits as a perfume. Because I mean, there is laundry, and then there is laundry perfume. So if you know what I mean, laundry would be more so, you know, the sense of your like air diffusers, your sprays that you spray around your apartment. That's like a different laundry scent from this one. This one has a warm cotton to it that sort of makes the laundry scent more subtle, but it's there. Okay. And they also do have the cool cotton, I think, as well. This one is the warm cotton. And I love this one because, again, when you layer it with other perfumes, you kind of like put the oil and everything else. You take a shower, you come out the shower, you also wear your freshly laundered clothes, and then you put this on. Chef's kiss. Okay, you are not going to miss. It never misses. It never misses. Okay, it eats every single time. So yeah, I usually tend to get like the largest one of these. This is the 60 ml, the 2-ounce bottle. And it lasts me for years and years. I think I've had this for 1.5 years so far, and as you can see, I literally haven't even used half of it. So that is actually my perfume collection. I have had questions about this in the past, and I also have a lot of people asking me randomly, like they just stop me and be like, oh, what are you wearing? So again, these are some of the perfumes that I like to wear. You create your own signature scent out of it, okay? You decide which ones you want to mix and match. You don't have to mix all of them together. You can literally just have certain days you want to smell a certain way based on how you feel, just based on a lot of different things. So it's really entirely up to you. So if you loved this video and you enjoyed this video and any of the things that I said made sense to you, make sure to give this video a like. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more. Let me know which perfume is your favorite down in the comment section. And also shout out once again to Dossier for sponsoring this video. I love their perfumes and I am a true Dossier girly. So make sure to check them out. All of the links to every single perfume will be in the description box below. And as always, I look forward to seeing you in our next video. Bye.